Hello everyone, I am Gang. Happy Year of the Horse. Now showing the progress of the project. First, this is the old project content. This is the shooting target. Our ghost boss is still here. First, trigger the overlapping box. The ghost has respawned. The demo content is basically the same as our old features. Now, there are no bullets left. Close the game. Switch to the top-down View Model Map. This is the game feature we are iterating on. First, pick up a melee weapon. The weapon spawn point is on the outside. Equip our single-handed sword. Next, we replenish some ammunition. Close the panel. Reload bullets. Currently, the crosshair interface hasn't been adjusted. After we move over, trigger the ghost repeat 4. We mainly switch the handling of the perspective. Switch to the melee weapon. We died. The character respawns. Currently, there are still details in the combat calculations that need adjustment. The main progress is these. Here is the collision handling that's problematic. The character is stuck. Using the rifle to attack. Switch to melee weapon. The characters died again. Okay, so we'll record this video up to here. Our core content this year is to perfect this mode.